The one's two numbers, so this guy at the least. By using my experience is making at the least 20,000 a month uploading motion pictures. He did not even make. Now you is probably asking, in which can I discover videos like this that I will use to re-upload onto YouTube and make numerous cash like this channel? Does I need to provide you men as much value as possible inside this video? So I desired to show you this video on motive, due to the fact if we pass right down to the description of any of those Pinnacle 15s movies, they go away a hyperlink to the assets of each single video they use within their video within the description of each video they make. So if we visit this link proper right here, that includes all the assets of each video they use, they display each one of the 15 motion pictures they show inside that video. Let's assume you men desire to start a top 5 channel and you really visit this top 15th channel, and you could select 5 of those specific motion pictures. You can visit each of those links. For instance, if we visit this link, this can be one of the quote-unquote frightening encounters caught on GoPro. Download this video, do a short voiceover on top of the video, and also you could make a number of cash doing this. Now, what if you men are pronouncing I do not want to do a voiceover, I just want to add other humans as films? This channel, which is called Edwin, does simply that. They add videos they didn't even make, and that they do not even do a voiceover or anything on Pinnacle of it. In case you go to any in their videos, right here, 44,000 views, 54,000 perspectives. And if we click their social blade facts, they are making among 1,000 and 39,000 bucks per month. They are making at least $15,000 to $20,000 a month importing films to YouTube they didn't even make. In truth, it is probably even much greater than that, since the technique is such a beneficial area of interest, because advert quotes at the technique are plenty higher each unmarried day. They're making between 40 and 600 greenbacks a day, so at the low seas they may be making at least $300 a day uploading videos to YouTube they did not even make. For example, permits simply do a random video. This one genius inventions in an effort to take your life to the following degree. If we click on that video right here, all its miles is there a few track inside the video, after which they display videos that other humans made, motion pictures from other businesses, displaying me some of these one-of-a-kind innovations that they found. These motion pictures get loads of perspectives, and if we go down to the description, they really show hyperlinks to each one of the products they show in the video. So for example, for this screen door factor proper, here they show the specific product which you guys can visit, the hyperlink of download that equal video uploaded to YouTube, and you may get a lot of views and make plenty of money doing this. As I showed you, men purchase my very own channels I've made properly over 6 figures doing this specific same technique, and to everybody obtainable who's pronouncing that this technique doesn't paintings. YouTube changes policy, new channels cannot be monetized. It really is truly now not real life students which are getting monetized proper. Now I made a brand new channel at the beginning of 2018, and that I got that channel monetized inside weeks. This technique isn't simplest operating, but it is working higher than ever right now. So for everyone fascinated on this technique and who is absolutely extreme approximately this approach and making money on YouTube without making movies, you could test out I do of direction on the link within the description. Make money on YouTube without making films. That is my most important course. However, currently I came out with any other course might make cash on YouTube superior masterclass, which suggests you everything you need to understand, which shows you the advanced processes that I used to taking my YouTube profits to the following degree, and I even have a make cash on YouTube package deal which bundles both guides collectively. Now what exactly are you getting with every course? With my principal path I show you the entirety you men want to realize to start making a living on YouTube without making movies. In my opinion, this is the primary approach for novices for earning money online. I show you the best niches to pick out, how to pick out a niche, a way to optimize your channel, all and sundry talks approximately optimizing your YouTube films themselves, which manifestly is very crucial. However, I show You men the way to optimize your YouTube channel itself and why it is so crucial. I display you the way to download movies, optimized films, connect your AdSense account, and that I display you multiple secrets for multiplying your advert sales on YouTube, an awful lot more than all and sundry else on YouTube makes this course is extra than sufficient to begin making lots of cash on YouTube. I do have this new route make money on YouTube superior masterclass in which I show you superior strategies to take your YouTube income to the subsequent degree. In addition to displaying you men the precise grade is that I take advantage of the way to get round copyright identification and keep away from moves. More than one examples of the entire method of locating motion pictures, optimizing them and uploading them, and I show you the nice advanced strategies to optimize your videos for views and subscribers, and finally, which I suppose you guys are gonna love greater than whatever I show you guys, how to get a monetized channel notable rapid. You men are always asking how can I am getting a monetized channel rapid. I display you precisely how to do it inside the advanced masterclass. However, in case you men do not want to pay for every direction one after the other and you want to store a bit money, get my Make Cash on YouTube bundle. You keep 50 greenbacks in preference to buying both publications by using themselves. I surely need that will help you men in making a living on YouTube without making movies. I hope this video served as a minimum as an concept, and if you are critical about this technique you could test out my guides on the hyperlinks inside the description. Thanks for looking guys, I'll see you subsequent time.